Hey everyone, welcome to Goodness in the Everyday. I'm going to show you 3 essential skills over a 3-part series which are involved in making a classic lasagna. So the first skill we'll be doing is learning how to make a ragu alla Bolognese, which I know in Bologna they don't even call it that, and then a bechamel sauce, which is your white sauce, and then finally we'll be assembling it into a lasagna. So I hope you enjoy this whole process and let's get cooking. Chop up equal parts of celery, carrot and onion. These are the 3 main vegetables in the base of your bolognese sauce. In chefy terms we call this a mirepoix. So we're going to get a big pan and heat up some oil. I use rice bran oil here, and we're going to saute down our vegetables all at the same time so that they become soft and the onions become translucent. This is going to add a lot of sweetness and flavour to the ragu. Once they're nice and soft, take them out of the pan and reheat some oil. Now we're going to add our beef mince. I like mince that's not ground down too fine, with some nice amount of fat. You can combine pork mince with some beef mince if you like things a bit fatty. And we're going to cook that down, making sure that we get some nice brown bits on beef mince. You'll have to separate the mince well with your spatula, and don't be afraid about the brown bits at the bottom because they'll lift up and give lots of delicious flavour. Return the vegetables and add a can of peeled tomatoes, followed by a can of pulped tomatoes, pulpa, and we're going to smash down those whole tomatoes with your spatula. Combine it well with the rest of the ingredients, and this is when we're going to bring up the heat and add our stock. I'm filling up a can of stock, or you can use a glass of red wine if you like. Make sure it's good drinking wine, not the rubbish stuff. And now add really big heaped dollops of tomato paste. Make sure your canned tomatoes and tomato paste are of really good quality. My favourite brand to use is Mutti. I'm going to just lid that and bring up the heat to a simmer. 30 minutes later, minimum, you'll be ready with a beautifully reduced, soft, unctuous and nicely melded flavour-wise ragu. When you're ready to serve, you can season with some sea salt, and now that's ready to go into your lasagna, or you can toss it into things like pasta for spaghetti bolognese. The combo is one of my favourite. Try it with fettuccine, in shepherd's pie, or sloppy joe if you like. Stay tuned for the next video where we show you how to make bechamel sauce. Happy eating!